Hello car enthusiasts and diecast collectors. Welcome back to NAW32 Nicoisme YouTube channel, where we dive deep into the world of miniature marvels. Today, we've got something special for all the diecast car enthusiasts out there. We're unboxing the Poprace Mercedes-Benz CLK-GTR D2 from the 1997 FIA GT Championship in a stunning 1:64 scale. Let's dive right in. First off, the packaging is top-notch. You can see the attention to detail Poprace puts into their presentation. The box art showcases the iconic silver of the CLK-GTR, complete with the FIA GT Championship decals. And here she is. Right off the bat, you can see the quality of this diecast. The silver finish is impeccable, with no paint blemishes or imperfections. The attention to detail is what Poprace is known for, and this model does not disappoint. Let's take a look at some of the details. The headlights are beautifully replicated with plastic lenses, giving an authentic look. The wheels are spot on. Moving around the car, we see the intricate details. The wheels, it rolls smoothly on its rubber tires, which adds to the realism, true to the era, are a work of art with their multi-piece construction, mimicking the original's design. The tires have that perfect scale texture, making you feel like you can almost hear the rubber screeching on the track. Now let's talk about the decals. Poprace didn't cut corners here. The sponsor logos, the racing numbers, all are sharply printed, giving this model an authentic racetrack vibe. The interior is visible through the clear plastic windows, showing a detailed cockpit that could almost make you believe a tiny driver is ready to take on the Le Mans. One of the coolest features of this model is the detachable front and rear body panels. They're held in place with magnets, which ensures they snap back perfectly. Here's the reveal of the engine bay and suspensions, incredibly detailed for 1:64 scale. So what's my final verdict? This Poprace Mercedes-Benz CLK-GTR 2-in-1 to 64 scale is a must-have for any collector. The level of detail, the quality of the diecast, and the innovative features like the magnet-held body parts make it stand out. Whether you're a fan of Mercedes, the FIA GT Championship, or just love high-quality diecast models, this one should definitely be in your collection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more unboxings, reviews, and all things diecast. Drop a comment below if you want to see more from Poprace or have a particular model you'd love us to unbox next. Until then, keep collecting and keep the passion for these miniature masterpieces alive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive safely, even if it's in miniature.